Do you have papers? Eh? You guys have papers?
You want your passport?
Your papers? JMPD, do you have immigration? JMPD, but don't run, my guy. Hey, my guy, don't run. Go back, go back, go back. Hey, don't run. You see, hey, JMPD! JMPD, he was trying to run from... Hey, where are you running? Hey,
No.
So you...
This one is illegal. No. Get that one.
Where are the other two guys? The other one jumped.
No, the other one went to the other side. This one is
Jumped.
Good.
Eh? You want to do what? Hello.
What are you doing here?
Hey.
I don't know.
Open here.
I don't know.
You don't stay here. What is happening here?
That guy is see,
Yeah?
check.
What's happening here?
What's happening there?
Where are people who are staying here? Who's staying here? Are there people here? Yeah. There are people who die here. Inside here. Like the stuff is on or something. Hey, so.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
You don't know everything.
I don't know everything.
What do you know?
I don't know everything.
You don't
What do you know?
What
What do you know?
Hey, what do you know?
Hey, Baba.
What do you know? Where's your papers? Where are your papers? Where's your passport?
And where are the rest of the guys? Where are the rest of your guys?
Where's your passport?
Come out.
Eh?
Ask me that one.
Kiero, where's your passport? Where's your passport?
That one we need to teach.
Go in. Go inside.
Switch off here. Who's cooking there? Who's cooking there?
I think those guys they were busy cooking.
So they are selling.
Yeah. Are you selling food here?
Yo, but you think this food is right to cook for people? Look here, my guy. Look here. This is the food that we are going to sell to people. What is this? Eh? Do you think this is the right place to sell food for people, my guy?
I suspect that guy is there.
Hey, yeah, people are eating. Hey, this is wrong. What's that even tell alone at that? Gosh,
Excuse me.
That one we need to teach.
Go in. Go inside.
Switch off here. Who's cooking there?
I think those guys they were busy cooking.
So they are selling.
Yeah. Are you selling food here?
Yo, but you think this food is right to cook for people? Look here, my guy. Look here. This is the food that we are going to sell to people. What is this? Eh? Do you think this is the right place to sell food for people, my guy?
I suspect that guy is there.
Hey, yeah, people are eating. Hey, this is wrong. What's that even tell alone at that? Gosh,
Excuse me.
you must come to this building.
Papa. Masala.
So you have a running. Hey. Babona mo kunali place where they hide. There's a place where they hide this side.
Nangu sisi wethu udlule emhlabeni ufa nje ngenxa yokuthi uyale ukunikeza iqhegu elingumSouth African ukudla kwamahara. Iqhegu labonke ngeke lincitshe ukudla into engelancedo la keep isibhamu ladubula kathathu sisi wethu wadlule emhlabeni. Ndingaze sikhulume kanjani ngeke udadewethu esavuka usehambile siyaze siyebonana kwelizayo. Nangu lapho uKing Misizulu inkosi yakwaZulu uthi lena akahamba amakwelekwele sejoyinile laye ingoma yokuthi akahamba amakwelekwele. Mali sakhumbula uMisizulu esikhathini esidlule wakwaphuma esenza istatement uthi hayi abayeke abokufika bangabanye bethu. Kodwa ke kathesi useyitshintshile uthi yena nxa kukuthi kulomshana ozelwe likwelekwele akusale yena umshana ikwelekwele lihamba. Yiso istatement esesikhulunywa nguMisizulu kunjengamanje inkosi yakwaZulu. Kukhombani lokho bafethu? Kukhomba ukuthi laba bantu sebe abadlali and into leyi sebeyiqinisile ngoba sokuza kungenela labantu athi singacabanga ukuthi bangakhuluma. So bafethu ngaze sikhulume njani lizofa liphele and ukukhuluma kwethu ngeke kuze kuyiphendukise ini imphefumulo yenu. So nxa ngisithi mina kuyanini sizozama impilo lisekhaya ngiyabe ngikhuluma ngento efana la le. Angithi liyabona la ngabantu lapha abazithengisela abakhona lapha ekhaya bazama impilo bekhona lapha ekhaya bathengisa besestaradeni bekhona lapha ekhaya bayayenza impilo bayakwazi ukuthi bawondle imdeni yabo bekhona lapha ekhaya eZimbabwe. Nampana abanye ngale ngomama lapha bazithengisa imbhida bathengisa amatamatisi bekhona lapha ekhaya bayayondla imdeni yabo bekhona lapha ekhaya. Kuyasizana bafowethu belokho esikhuluma sithi hayi bayahlanya ama-South African lina lisifa likhona ngabo. Ngaze sikhulume kuzophendukisa yini umphefumulo wakho? Awusiboni yini isidingo sokuthi bayeke laba bantu uphenduke ekhaya? Mawukwazi ukuthi la usebenzela khona ayikho isecurity eyokuthi ungakwazi ukuthi uvikeleke buya ekhaya uzoziphandela khona lapha ekhaya. Indlela ophila ngayo khona ukhona ngapha eSouth Africa lapha ekhaya uyanelisa ukuthi uphile ukhona lapha ekhaya. Ngoba bafethu lento leyo ukuthi libuke lisifa ukuthi siyasithinta thina kwazisa ubuhlungu thina abantu. So nxa ukwazi la usebenzela khona isecurity ayikho bangakufikela anytime bakuchaye umbe bakubulane njengabona singangudadewethu ufile la. Asikho isizathu sokuthi uqinisele ngoba laba bantu it seems like into leyi sokujoyine ama forces wonke and they really mean it. Buyani ekhaya bafethu buyanini mina yalincenga unless mawukwazi la usebenzela khona ngeke bezibefike kule security hayi ungaqinisela but mawukwazi ukuthi usebenzele estaradeni uthi anytime bangakugadla ngoba nangu lo ungizwe mcuno uthi yena sebesize egoli and abafowethu abaningi bagcwele lapha negoli and badayisa estaradeni lapha negoli badayisa imbhida abanye badayisana and yibo abantu abazabe batargetile ngoba abantu abavulnerable abantu abangakwazi ukuzilwela uyabe usuchayisana ne crossfire khona pha. Ezinye izinto abafethu impilo ayithengiswa ungafufile okunye abafethu akusafuni inkani lathi kinje siyichili South Africa akasikuthi South Africa besingasakwanisi sibesenelisa ukuthi siphile eSouth Africa but sabona ukuthi no we cannot live in this way yokuhlala lokho esikhunjuza ukuthi uya foreigners sihlala sihlukuluzwa ukuthi ungaphuma endlini ubonge suphendukile akusiyo impilo esiyifunayo bafethu. Mina ngiyalincenga ekhaya lapha kuyaphila njengoba ngiyalibonisa ukuthi bakhona kwapha abazama impilo bekhona lapha ekhaya bayaphila bayizama do izinto ziwomile yes kuwomila siyali but ukuwoma kwempilo kungcono ukuthi udube kuselizweni lakho than ukuthi ube sempilizweni lokuthi anytime we can die kungabi izindaba zalutho ngoba uyambona uhulumende weSouth Africa akula anything ayenzayo towards ukuvikela abantu bokufika abase South Africa. Wedula amaphepha kumbawula amaphepha you are vulnerable to die anytime. So mina ngiyalincenga bafowethu ngiyalincenga kalingafi njengenkukhu lina lilamazwe enu eZimbabwe lapha ukuthi ukuthi sidubeka ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi we cannot put isinko etafuleni no siyakwazi ukusifaka isinko etafuleni. So ngiyalincenga bafethu kalingafi ngalindlela le easy kanje ubulawela nje just ukuthi uya eZimbabwe lo muntu yesingathi ukuthi ufele ukuthi unciche iSouth African le isitshwala but ayisikho yena ufele nje ukuthi udilokuzela uli foreign ngoba ngathi umuntu lo bencitshwe ukudla li South African ubengeke azali bulale ngesihluku esinje ubengeke but umbulele just because it is Zimbabwe and uyazi ngeke aze yenziwe lutho so bafethu ukukhuluma kwethu ngeke kuphendukise imphefumulo yabantu abasebedlule emhlabeni njalo lingafi ngesizathu sokuthi abantu abasalifuni elizweni labo buya ekhaya uzozama impilo lapha ekhaya iyazameka into kuyaphileka lapha ekhaya